Morning, dear children, and welcome to this session. Are you all fine? I hope so. During the last class, we were discussing about the boy who is very clever and very sharp in nature and won't be able to grow much. So the parents planned to keep him in a temple as an acolyte. Let's see the next part, shall we? Let's see the third paragraph of the story, The Boy Who Drew Only Cats. The old man spoke kindly to the lad and asked him some hard questions. So clever were the answers that the priest agreed to take the little fellow into the temple as an acolyte and to educate him for the priesthood. Listen, children, what did this paragraph say? During the last session, we had seen that the parents requested the priest to admit the boy, a small boy, as his acolyte. Acolyte means helper. Now, say what did the old priest did? He spoke kindly to the lad. Lad means little boy, and asked him some difficult questions. Uh, We know that the boy is very clever, isn't it? So he had given remarkable answers to the question. The priest was so glad and agreed to take him in the temple as the acolyte. And he was ready to educate or teach him for the priesthood. Means what are the necessary things he should know as a priest? The old priest taught him. Let's see the fourth paragraph of the story. Listen. The boy learned quickly what the old priest taught him and was very obedient in most things. But he had one fault. He liked to draw cats during study hours and to draw cats even wherever cats ought not have been drawn at all. See, the boy was very smart and learned quickly whatever the priest taught to him. And also, he was very obedient to the priest. Obedient means he follow whatever the priest taught him to do. All the rules the temples follows. He did follow whatever the words spoken by the priest also. But he had a fault. Fault means mistake. What was that? Say he liked to draw cats during study hours or study time. And he had to draw cats even where he should not draw anything. That means he drew the pictures of cats on the walls and here and there. It was a fault in him. See the next part. Whenever he found himself alone, he drew cats. He drew them on the margins of the priest book and on all the screens of the temple and on the walls and on the pillars. Several times of the priest told him this was not right, but he did not stop drawing cats. He drew them because he could not really help it. He had what is called the genius of an artist, and just for uh, that he was not quite fit to be an artist or the acolyte. A good a good acolyte should study books. Listen. Whenever he found himself alone means whenever he is kept as alone or free from the work, he drew cats. The following lines says, wherever he used to draw the pictures. Where did he draw? He drew on the margins of the priest book, all the empty walls, on pillars, etc. The old priest warned him many times, but he did not listen or stop of doing the same. Now we know that he is a good artist, so he is helpless of being away from his inborn quality. What was his ability? he is a master or genius of art. Because of this quality, he was dismissed from the temple. For the priest, it was not a quality, but just as disobedient. The priest know that one day he become a famous artist and not fit for an accolade. Is accolade should not draw the pictures, but he has to read the books. Let's stop here. You should read the part well. Thank you.